To all those seeking higher education in the United Kingdom, let's come to know more about Brunel University London, a leading public research university established in 1966 in Uxbridge, just a short distance from the heart of London. Brunel is globally renowned for its exceptional engineering, business and health science programs, allowing students to excel in their chosen fields. With a commitment to supporting students, the university provides a variety of scholarships, including merit-based and need-based awards. Brunel's vibrant, modern campus offers a perfect blend of academic excellence and personal growth, preparing students for success in the competitive global landscape. To learn more about applying at Brunel University London, visit our International Admission Service office, where our certified study abroad experts are ready to guide you through every step of the process. The International Admission Service assists you in choosing the right career and course, as well as discussing scholarship options available to you. Get free expert advice and information at the International Admission Service office or book a free online counselling session. Hurry up and best of luck!